Welcome back students to the last part of Engineering Mathematics UPSC Engineering Services Examination 2020. So the last but not the least question is for the regression equation y equals to 0.516 x 8 plus 33.73 and x is equals to 0.512y plus 32.52. The means of x and y are nearly. सी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये क्वेश्चन कैलकुलेशन का तो है, बट अगर यूपीएससी ने पूछा है तो दैट मीन्स कुछ ट्रिक है इस क्वेश्चन में. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू नो कि अगर रिग्रेशन इक्वेशन है और मीन्स आपको एक्स और वाई का अप्रॉक्सीमेटली वैल्यू बताना है, सो वाई बार विल बी इक्वल्स टू 0.516 इंटू एक्स बार प्लस 33.73. सिमिलरली सेकेंड इक्वेशन में भी आप x और y को x बार और y बार से रिप्लेस कर दोगे. नाउ in order to get the mean of x and y, you will substitute x bar from this equation to this equation. So obviously y bar will be equals to 0.512 into 0.516. जब ये इक्वेशन इसमें आ जाएगा, so 0.512 into y plus 33.73 plus 32.56. Now see, orally how can we solve this problem? Obviously when you calculate it will take much time, and you don't have 10 minutes or 15 minutes in UPSC exam to solve one problem, because ultimately that problem is fetching you 2 marks only. So see, orally how can we solve this problem? See, either you substitute x into y or y into x, whatever you want, you can do so. If you substitute x into y, so basically it will be 0.516 into 0.512, that is nearly around 0.5 into 0.5, that is 0.25, plus 32.52 into 0.516 plus 33.73. So obviously that value will come around 67 or 68 something, and if you analyze these options, then either the value will be 67.6 or 68.6. Okay, let us assume whatever be the value, and for x bar I got some value. Now if you put that value again in this equation, first equation itself, so 0.516 into 67.6 or 68.6, whatever you assume. So when it is multiplied with 0.5, obviously its value will be half. So that will be 34 point something plus 33. So again that value will be around 67 or 68 something. So approximate value you can assume that will be 68.6. And if you analyze these options, then there are two options which are given in first and second whose value is 68.6. So obviously C and D can't be your answer. Now if you see, those two values can't be exactly same. See, because there are at least some difference which is given. So obviously in option B it is given 68.6 and 68.6. That means again B option can't be there. The only option is 67.6 and 68.6, which is your option A. So see students, what I want to tell you from this last example is that sometimes the question are being set not to test your basic knowledge, but to test how fast and accurate you can get the answer. कभी कभी एग्जामिनेशन में कुछ ट्रैप क्वेश्चंस भी होते हैं, बिकॉज पर्पसली वो बनाया जाता है सो दैट यू मे वेस्ट योर टाइम. तो इस क्वेश्चन को आप ऑब्जेक्टिव में सॉल्व कर सकते थे इस मेथड से, एंड अदरवाइज इफ यू फील दैट क्वेश्चन वाज टफ तो यू कैन लीव, बिकॉज समटाइम्स इट्स वेरी प्रॉफिटेबल टू लीव सम प्रॉब्लम्स in order in spite of the fact that you want to attempt it, because you may ultimately lose your valuable time. So in 10 questions में से at least a good student 7 to 8 problems easily attempt कर सकता था. And I would suggest you just go through the basic engineering mathematics and basic concepts because upcoming examination, GATE examination will give due weightage to engineering mathematics. And all the best for your GATE examination. GATE 2020 will be conducted by IIT Delhi. So just go through the previous year problems, and all the best. Thank you.